Alright, air filter on the 2 litre HDI Peugeot Expert Citroen Dispatch Fiat something or other. Is it Ducato or something? Ducati? Something like that. Really easy filter to change. If you're changing your pollen filter at the same time, then do the air filter after you've removed the pollen filter enclosure, which sits here. You don't have to do that. I've left it removed just so we can see clearer the air filter. But it's a dead simple job to do. You need a Phillips screwdriver. It doesn't have to be on a power tool. It's not a posi, it's a Phillips. And there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in real time, 1. If you take them out all the way, then they might fall out. You don't need them all the way, just to remove from the lower part of the air filter housing. Try and do this one-handed. We lift the air filter housing out the way. I'm not going to manage it one-handed, so we're going to put you down. I'm going to lift up the top of the air filter housing, remove the air filter, put that aside, remove any debris that we can inside. You could hoover this out as well, but debris you can get your hands on. New air filter, make sure it's facing in the right orientation. Don't try and fit it that way up, fit it this way up. Make sure it sits nice and flush in the lower housing. Cover goes back down. And the screws go back in. They're clicking out at 3 Newton meters. That's all it needs to be. There's no pressure inside here. There's actually a slight vacuum. There you go. That's all you need to do to change the air filter on your 2 litre diesel Expert Dispatch or Fiat something or other. Pollen filter, diesel filter, also covered in some videos that I do, so poke on the button out there. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Any questions, give me a shout. If you wanted to know the filter number I was just using there, it is LX2022. Thanks for watching.